Hello, everyone. I know some of you are having problem with the Metasploitable, so I'm going to record this so that hopefully it will help. So, as you can see, this is the screen I sent you for downloading the Metasploitable, and I gave you some informations to be put in here, and then you could download. So here is my VirtualBox. Here is where I downloaded and moved it to here. And as you can see, my downloads, VirtualBox. Let's remove this one first. Okay. So this is my download. When you download, this is a zip file, compressed folder. You can download in downloads and move it here or just keep it there. I moved it just for organization. So as you can see, this is a compressed file. So you double click, right click, and I'm going to use the 7-zip unzipper, open archive, and it tells me that this folder is inside. So I'm going to extract, and it's going to extract at the same location. That's fine. At this point, you don't want to watch it by percentage. You can drag it forward. It will take a few seconds. All right, so I'm going to close my this, and now you can see that it has extracted the files here. There are 5 files, and this is the main file, the VMDK extension file, virtual machine disk format or disk. That's in Mac. You should just see the file, maybe not a blue box here. In Windows, you are seeing a blue box, but it should not be any different when you extract. So I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to go to virtual machine. As you can see, I have my Kali, which is powered off. So you click on new, and now you have to give it a name. I'll just call it Meta. Keep the folder, and this is not a Windows machine, so I'm going to select Linux, and this is not Oracle machine, it is Ubuntu. So Ubuntu 64-bit. So select the right thing, then you click on next. Here the memory, I'm going to take default. Here I'm going to change again. I'm not creating a hard disk from a virtual machine. I'm actually going to use an existing virtual machine, which we downloaded. And you may not see this Metasploitable. If you don't see, that's even better. If you just see Kali. So you go on this, don't select, you may not have it. If you have, don't select. I deleted that just now. So I'm going to go here and you add, because I didn't have any attached. This was from my old remnant. So you click on add here, green button, add, and now you go to the folder where your extracted file is. So I'm going to user here, and it was a this is the one which is it's being created now, but this is where extracted file is. And you can see that there were 5 files, but only one of them is the VMDK. And you click open. And now it is selected, the one newer one for me, and maybe only one for you. We could remove it too, but right now I'm going to just click on choose, because that's the one selected. And make sure that you have this use an existing file and the one you selected, then you say create. So now it's creating a virtual machine. Now this, we don't want this virtual machine to connect to internet. So you, in your VirtualBox, you say File, Preferences, and click on Network. And on this green box, you create this network. I can change its name, edit. I'll call it network address table. Um, you don't need to know much about that. It's just that. And now I have, that was the VM. Now I am in the Metasploitable and select here. Good. And I'm now in that virtual machine settings. Go to network, say NAT network, and it will show what you have. And just click OK. So now I'm ready to start. So click on Start, normal start. It may take few seconds or minute. If you want, you can just move forward. I'm going to close these noisy things here, which comes on the top, and spinning up the Metasploitable virtual machine. And again, this noise thing, I'm going to close this for now. And again, you don't have to watch it. You can move forward, drag it. And now my machine is up. It says login user ID is MSF admin and password is also MSF admin. This is right on the screen. So I'm going to type that MSF, enter. I don't know if I typed N or not, but I'm going to hit enter. I did not. So M and it's there. Now I'm in. You do ls. There is one folder. There I can do ls. There are a couple of files there. I do if. Shows you that there is an Ethernet 0 port, and there is a loopback. There are two things there. Loopback internet address is always 127. I'm reading it off the second line, 127.0.0.1. It is always loopback, same machine. And Ethernet 0 is on the top. You read the second line there. That's your internet address. Close my machine. I can save the machine state so that I come back later and it is closed. And I'm going to stop this video and hopefully you'll be able to spin up. Once you're in VirtualBox, it should be same even if for Mac. So if you're having an issue with Mac, please let me know. I do not have a VirtualBox on my Mac machine because I don't have enough storage. But if you still have problem after following this video, please let me know and I will clean up my MacBook Air and try to install VirtualBox there. With that, I'll close this video.